Air fryers are like little convection ovens for your countertop. Like a convection oven, circulating hot air in an air fryer makes food cook faster than a conventional oven. This means you may need to adjust cooking times slightly with traditional recipes, but that's not the only detail to consider. Following food safety practices is a must when cooking with an air fryer. Before cooking, ensure the pan has been properly washed. Today, I'm making teriyaki salmon and broccoli using frozen salmon and frozen broccoli. This little thermometer will make sure I cook up a perfect fillet of salmon without under or overcooking. Once broccoli is tender and salmon reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees, I'm done. Whether you're cooking up a healthier version of your favorite fried foods or want a solution when cooking for one or two, air fryers are simple to work with. Just follow the same food safety practices you would with a traditional oven. Clean pans, verify food is safe to eat by checking internal cooking temperatures, and clean up once done. Find this recipe and learn more on bigY.com. Until next time, be well.